So Quinn and I were talking about what we're gonna have for supper, and she said she wanted pasta. All right, now what's your favorite kind of pasta, Quinn?
Pesto.
Pesto, exactly. And what do we need to make pesto?
Basil.
Basil, exactly. So we've had this in the house for about 2 weeks now. All right, we've kept it nice and fresh in our Growlight garden. So
Right in the backyard.
No, we have a garden in the backyard, that's right. But what we're gonna do is now we're gonna trim our basil plant for some nice fresh pesto.
Yeah.
Okay?
Are we
So,
gonna make pesto?
yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna find...
We make pesto for dinner.
That's right. So we're gonna find on our basil plant, okay, we're gonna find a branch.
Can I cut?
Yeah, you can cut that. I'm gonna cut the first one. All right, just like that. So as you can see here, we have 2 fresh leaves that are gonna come in. And what we're gonna do by constantly trimming our basil plant is that it's gonna promote a lot of fresh growth, and it's gonna keep our plant nice and healthy. All right, so Quinn, wanna do the last one? So come up top. You're gonna take Daddy's hand. Ready? Take my hand. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Squeeze the scissors. Good. All right. All right, so we finished pruning all our fresh basil. What are you having for supper tonight, Quinn?
Pesto.
Pesto, exactly. So we're gonna put our basil back into our countertop garden. We have our fresh basil on our cutting board, and tonight we're gonna make some beautiful pesto.